Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set screensaver and to photo table on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. In display, scroll down and find the screensaver. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the screensaver. And screensaver, okay, show a screensaver after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. And okay guys, the screensaver is set into none. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the screensaver into photo table. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the photo table. And after you tap the photo table, okay, you'll have to do is tap the gear icon on the right side to set the photo or to select the folder of photo you want to put on your photo table. And okay guys, here there are options of folder here. Okay, you can select the screenshot folder, PixArt folder, or you can select the open camera folder, or you can select all the folder by tap the select all button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, so I decide to select the camera folder only. And okay guys, go back. And okay guys, now you can preview the photo table of your screensaver by tapping the preview button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully set the screensaver and to photo table on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.